Did you forget your password and can't log in? Do this. Hold down the Shift key and click the power button. Then click Restart. From here, you're going to click Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and click Command Prompt. We're going to change directory to C drive, then C:, Windows, change directory, System32, then we're going to do copy, set C.exe, set C.bak. Yes. Lastly, we're going to do copy cmd.exe, set C.exe. Exit. Click Continue. Hit Shift. We're going to tap in Control, User. Click on a username and then click on Reset Password. Enter your new password. Confirm. Hit OK. Again, hit OK. Then exit. Now you should be able to log in. That's how you reset your password.